Welcome everybody. We are starting our SAT prep classes. So the first question is, if AO is 20 units, what is the circumference of the circle? So we are expected to find that. Now we know that the circumference of circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. Now, since AO is 20 units, this means we have a radius of 20 units. So therefore, the circumference is going to be 2 multiplied with pi multiplied with the radii, which is 20 here. So 2 times 20 will give me 40 pi units. So this is the solution to this question. Okay, so we move